Are you tired of your old phone service? Want a better solution? Porting your number to KrispCall's cloud telephony is simple and efficient. The process involves a few quick steps, taking 1 to 4 weeks. First, ensure your number is eligible for porting. Then, send your port request to KrispCall with necessary documentation. Our support team will review your request within a day. We'll handle everything with your current provider, ensuring a smooth transition. If there are issues, our team will guide you on resolving them. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation of your porting date. While you wait, use a temporary number we provide for uninterrupted calls. KrispCall keeps your business communications running smoothly throughout the transition. Switching to KrispCall means better connectivity and reliability. Don't let your old service hold you back. Take action today. Email us at porting@krispcall.com to start your porting process. Experience the KrispCall difference now.